All right, y'all. So, hey. So, I'm making this thing. Hopefully, you can see it. It's a structure that's going to go up. It's going to have about 2 feet overhang on the top. I'm going to tie a brake winch right here in the middle that's going to connect to a pulley up here and another pulley over here, and be able to pull up my hood vent and my exhaust fan and my air conditioner up onto the top of the truck. So maybe you can't really tell what it is, because this picture looks like third grader drew it, but I'm about to show you what it is because I'm about to make it, so it's about to exist. Based on the drawing, I'm going to start off with these 2 long pieces right here. So that's why I got these 2 sticks right here. And I'm going to work at the top up here. So now I'm working on this angle piece right here, this supporting the top cantilever. These angles, that's what I'm working on. I'm gonna make an extra piece of wood go from here down, but I'm gonna cut it on 45. On this angle right here, I put a 4-inch screw where the screw's gonna be able to go all the way 4 inches in, and then the closer up to the corner, I'm putting a 3-inch screw. So now I turned it over, I gotta do the same exact thing to the other side. Alright, so I went and got the wheels. I got 6 of these brake wheels, and then I got 3 of these little wheels. The little wheels are gonna go on the side so I can roll it while it's laying down sideways. And then the 2.5-inch brake wheels, these are gonna go on the bottom so that I can roll it while it's standing up and make sure that the whole thing is balanced. Put these on now. Alright, so I got all the wheels on. They're not swivel. That's where I messed up. Should have bought the swivel ones. So these ones only roll straight. Now that I got all of those wheels on, I have to flip the whole thing back over. The wheel side will be down, which will be good because I'll be able to roll it up and down. Get on and ride it. So I put extra wheels on. So you got them going straight down the main shaft, and then you have them on the side angles that stick out. This is the front section, and then this is the bottom of the front. I'm about to put this bottom leg on just like this top leg right here. Alright, so now I'm going to put some support beams. One from here down to there, and about in the middle from here down to there. So it'll be supported and more stable. Snowing in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm out here still grinding. Working out here in the snow, still grinding, even in the snow. So what the heck is she dancing to? That shit crazy. Updated progress. Full aerial view. laying down on the side, walk down the shaft. Just from this angle, it's the back bottom. Got all the wheels on. They at pressure points. So, and for balance. So of course on the end. Then in the middle where the main shaft is, got wheels right there to hold that weight. And then of course on the very tip, keep it balanced. Alright, so I got a brake winch. It's for hooking up trailers and boats and stuff. So I'm gonna use it to put my stuff on top of the food truck. The hood vent, the exhaust fan, and the air conditioner right here. I'm gonna post a full video of me unboxing the brake winch and reviewing it. Hell yes, this is exactly what I need. So I'm just mounting the brake winch onto the lift that I built and then hooking up the pulleys. So it's on there. It's a little bit off center, but it's gonna work. It's 31 degrees out here. I'm not trying to be out here too long. So this gonna have to work. I just gotta connect the pulleys up there. So now we gotta stretch this cable all the way down to the top and hook it onto a pulley. So we up here to the top. Down there is the bottom. You can see the brake winch right there in the middle. So we all the way up here to the top. So we're gonna put a pulley right here in the middle and another one in the middle up there. Alright, so this pulley is on. So now I'm going to hook another one on directly in front of it. So from here, or straight over to there. Alright, so this is a pulley. The cable, of course, runs to the top. It has this little hairpin. I'm going to pull that out so I can stick the wire in. That easy. So once you pull the little hairpin out, then this middle piece comes out like that. Then you can take the roly-poly part out and stick your cable in there. Cable goes in there, and you stick the roly-poly piece back in. Then you stick the pin back in and the hairpin back in. It's hard to get this on with gloves on. And it's too cold to take the gloves off. There we go. Alright, so that's on. Now I gotta get screwed right here. There you go. So you got one pulley on here. Then your next pulley, it's right here. And it's going all the way down to the brake winch. So I asked somebody to help me lift the thing up because I didn't know if I could lift the thing by myself. So once it's standing up, it's bigger than my house. I needed it to be bigger than the truck so that the exhaust fan would then go over top of the truck. So now I'm connecting the fan and now I gotta wind the whole thing up. And if anyone is interested in the drawings and the measurements that I used, you can send me a message and I will email you the exact drawing that I showed in the picture. The key thing is that the structure is taller than your truck so that your exhaust fan will then go over top of the truck so that you can get it onto the top of the truck. And you just need it to be sturdy with those A-braces. That's really the key. So once you get that done, it's just going to be huge. Like a diving board. Wow. So it's 12.5 feet high. about 2.5 feet wide, and the brake winch can hold 1,000 pounds. That exhaust fan that's hanging from it right now is about 75 pounds. So this is great. If you need to make one, this is a great idea. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and please hit the subscribe and the like button. Thanks again. Bye.